Someone says, "What's going on here now?" But I can understand. This one was trash again.
Trash from the capture. You need to give up.
Now. You too should give up, but I don't need it. And where should I throw it? Okay, I'll throw it somewhere. The problem is gone. Although ID is already here again, I'm running away from the cubes. And they'll hide somewhere, but I don't know where.
Unco 45 pal, where are you?
I'm here, Simon 50.
Don't call me that. And how did you get here? Now I'll drag you.
Whoa, take it easy, Simon.
Is the black cube here?
I didn't have time to capture.
Then catch her so she doesn't hide.
Okay.
Terapiga, I didn't have time to agree? What an infection. Well, you're up again. And what again?
There is no black cube.
This cannot be. It must be here.
No, he cannot.
Maybe it's already here now.
No, I said, he cannot.
Can I
You're
at
just a
least not
fool
bother
and
both
can't
of them?
find it.
Moreover,
No damn
they
you
argue.
stupid didn't understand.
It's time to
You're a
teleport to
fool,
the
I won.
underground building.
What?
Lock the door immediately, otherwise I will be captured. They should not take me. Perhaps they won't get there again. Okay, then it falls and goes somewhere else. Is it possible that it ends up in the cat's stomach again? Phew, I think I run away. I wish I hadn't met a cat, otherwise it will end badly. Not the cat again. Again she will put me in her stomach. What the?
Holy shit. She fell to the floor. Do not worry, everything will be fine. Everything is fine. At least get some sleep. You look sweet. Shh. Check out the video.